Hello there and welcome to the top weekly news by Tripura Broadcast. I am Swattik here with the top news of 3rd week of January 2018. So without any delay, let's jump into the recent happenings. BSF Jawans are keeping a close look along the India-Bangladesh border after the detention of the 6 Rohingya refugees in Dharmanagar. On 14th January, 6 Rohingya refugees, 3 girls and 3 boys were apprehended from the Dharmanagar railway station. On police interrogation, the refugees said that they were heading to Hyderabad in search of work. However, Tripura police still doubts presence of some Rohingya refugees in the state. Makar Sankranti, also known to many as Makar Sankranti, was observed across the state on 14th January with all traditional rituals and enthusiasm. While almost all households prepared homemade cakes and offered puja, many localities also organized kirtans, and the children and youth did not miss the burning of huts made of rice tillers as a part of ritual and enjoyment in Tripura. Tripura senior women cricket team on 17th January ended on a winning note by defeating Jammu and Kashmir by a huge margin of 95 runs in the ongoing National Senior Women T20 cricket tournament. The biggest political news of Tripura for now is the declaration of Assembly election, which is to be held on 18th February this year. This time, Election Commission will not only be utilizing the EVMs, that is the electronic voting machine, but also will be utilizing the VVPAT machines, that is voter verifiable paper audit trail, to enhance transparency and credibility to the election process. However, counting of votes will be conducted on 3rd March of this year. Kokborok, as you all know, is the tribal language of Tripura. On 19th January, Tripura observed the 40th Kokborok Day across the state. Colorful rally organized to commemorate the day caught attention of people in Agartala. Several cultural programs were held and Kokborok literates were facilitated. Let's look into a national news. India on Thursday, that is January 18th, successfully test-fired its indigenously developed intercontinental surface-to-surface capable ballistic missile Agni-5, the most potent and longest range in Agni series. Defense Minister Nirmala Sitharaman tweeted about its success, congratulating its makers, the DRDO, the Armed Forces and the Defense Ministry. This missile was earlier tested successfully in 2012, 2013, 2015 and 2016. With this missile, India joins the super exclusive club of ICBM, that is Intercontinental Ballistic Missile. That was it in this video. Okay guys, now let me notify you something about this channel. I am on a verge of opening a website and very soon I'll come up with it. In that website, you will basically get information about this channel, about Tripura and about a lot more aspects of India and about miscellaneous topics. So if you have any suggestion about the contents, if you want something specialized in my website about the content, please make sure to comment it in the comment section below. And guys, I'm sorry for a thing because I was about to upload the 3rd part of EGARO Photo Festival, the second last part of EGARO Photo Festival 2017. But due to some mishappenings, I was not able to edit that video, and I will bring that video very soon in 2 or 3 days. So guys, stay tuned with Tripura Broadcast to explore the unexplored and to get the news of recent happenings. You may also connect with us by following us on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. Now if you find this video informative or useful, do give us a thumbs up, share this video and most importantly, subscribe our channel. Signing off for now, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.